Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how to install a first flush boost with an expansion kit. So the reason you want to put an expansion kit on, if you find that you want to have a greater first flush volume, that's going to do the job for you. So you've got 20 litres here, you've got that doubled up again, so you've got 40 litres, which is about 10 gallons, in that area. So you can get a lot of first flush diversion in a really tight, compact spot. And it's really easy without having to go source large format pipe, which can be difficult to go to your hardware store and get cut because they're typically used for sort of civil purposes. So the things you're going to need before we get started, you're going to need your first flush boost kit, which is just going to be that bit there. It'll include the brackets too. And then you'll need the expansion kit separately. You can buy one expansion kit or you can buy a second one. So you can go 3 high. Don't go any more than 3 though, because that's sort of the limit to where we made those brackets for. So 3 high is about the max. And then you're going to need your first flush kit separately to that. So it might have this T-piece, it might have a 90mm T-piece or a 3-inch one or a 4-inch one. It might be one with the throat at the front here with the catch-all T. And it may or may not have the electronic release valve. It might have the slow release valve. The idea is you can build it up however you want, and you can mix and match the components to suit your needs and to suit your property. So I'll stop talking. Let's get into installing it. So with your expander kit, you will already have a first flush boost, which you would have got separately. Now with the expander kit, we're just going to glue these together. So the boost main module is already glued together. So with the base expander kit here, we're going to get this part here. We're going to put a bit of primer and then solvent cement glue on both the inside lip here as well as the outside of this lip here. And then we're just going to glue those together. I'm just going to press it together for now, just for the sake of the video. But you'll feel that really quite snugly fit into place. So now that we've got this semi-assembled part here, the next thing to do is to join these together. So again, it's the same process. Get a bit of primer on the inside there and on the outside of this bottom section, glue those 2 sections up and then simply press them in. So you'll feel that it's a nice snug fit. You might want to use clear glue just in case you get any spillage, unless you're going to paint afterwards, in which case it doesn't matter if it's blue or red or whatever colour it might be. And that's all you need to do. I just sort of tapped it down there. You'll notice that when the glue's on there, it'll soften the plastic a little bit, so you'll feel it really sort of suck into position. Leave that to set for a little bit. Give it 10 minutes, just till that glue is completely set. And then the next thing is we're going to hook it onto the wall. So once the unit's glued together here, we're going to get the ball inside the cage here, which has got the seat, and that's used to seal the water, so the ball floats up, and then it seals across the top once the first flush has been captured. All you want to do is pop that on the inside of the top one, like so, and then you just want to pop some glue or primer and glue on the inside of this socket and then glue it to this pipe. So once that's set, now is probably not a bad time to get some help from someone else, just to keep this steady while we put the brackets on. So let's put the bracket set on now. So that's all there is to installing a first flush boost with the expansion kit. So remember, all you've got to get, you grab your boost kit, you grab your expansion kit separately, and your first flush T-piece and outlet set, they come as a separate kit to you. So you can really mix and match whatever you want so that you get the most out of your system and you can flush the amount of water which is going to suit your needs. Thanks, see ya.